how to disable pin on Signal. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to disable pin on your Signal application. So it's so easy and quick. Let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal and now click on those 3 points up there. Click on setting and now click on the first option, which is account. Now you have advanced pin setting. Click on it and click on disable pin. Now you should read this warning. If you disable the pin, you will lose all data when you have registered Signal unless you manually backup and restore. You cannot turn on registration lock while the pin is disabled. And now you can click on disable pin. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.